morning, YouTube family. Paul here. Just in case you haven't changed your headlights on an 08 Impala, I wanted to show you guys. You need a 7mm socket. Get this top bolt off on top of the headlight. Very simple thing to do. Then you'll see this white plastic retainer here. This has to come up. Locks the light in place there. Might have to wiggle the light a little bit to get that out. I hope you can see this. The sun's not up yet. I'm doing this a little early. I want to make sure I don't lose my bolt. There it is. The plastic retainer's got to come up and out. And then the whole light assembly lifts out. That fender's got a little damage to it, so I'm having a little trouble getting that out. Don't lose your little plastic retainer there. And then you just unscrew the back cover. The light twists out. Unclip it. Pull that little retainer up and put your new bulb in. Make sure you do not touch the light bulb. If you get the oil from your skin on the light, it will go dead prematurely because of excessive heat from the oil. Plug your new light in. Screw it in. Put the cap back on. Make sure you don't lose that rubber seal. And it's the reverse of the removal. That's it. Goes back down on there, slides on those nubs. Lock that in place and put your bolt back in. And that's how you change your headlights on an Impala. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give a like and subscribe. Hopefully I can bring you more useful information. Help our channel grow here, guys. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.